Alright, so we've got a System 6 power supply here. Well, I guess it's technically a Williams 3 through 7. So we went ahead and replaced all 0.156 headers here on the board, replaced the 5-volt filter capacitor, as well as the two flipper diodes. And go ahead and get this thing powered up here and get you some voltages. So first one here is going to be 5 volts. Next one here is going to be the positive high voltage, and then the negative high voltage. Sorry, I don't know if I got that in the camera there or not. And then, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12 volts. Shows a little bit high, but that's totally normal. And then our 5 volts here as well. And that's the last one. These are ground. So there you are. We are 100% good to go here on the power supply. Right, so we've got a Williams System 6 AMPU. This is set up for a blackout, which is actually for a System 6. Anyways, so we went ahead and replaced all three of the ROMs, or all three of the sockets for the ROM, sorry. Also replaced the socket for the 6810 RAM. The 6810s on this board are both AMI, so I went ahead and unsoldered or desoldered this one as well, put a socket in, installed NVRAM. We had a bit of alkaline, went down onto the ground plane as well as and also onto the driver board here, a little bit on front and back. So we went ahead and sanded that down to bare copper, conformal coated it. Since we have this in the picture, we went ahead and did the 0 ohm resistors here for the switch matrix. So in case this board ever gets swapped into a System 7, it's good to go. Replace the filter capacitor, replace the 6802 socket, replaced all 0.156 headers here on the boards, both the MPU and the driver board. Also replaced the filter capacitor here on the driver board, both the male and female 40-pin interconnect, and go ahead and get this thing booted up here. So as you can see, going from high score to date to last game played, and we have no locked on solenoids, lamp matrix dancing, and we'll go ahead and get it into test mode here. So first is the displays, and next is going to be all the lamps, and we'll move into the solenoids. So the flipper grounds, come on, those are the two blue LEDs that you see, and it'll cycle through all 16 of the original solenoids, or the regular solenoids, and then also into the special solenoids here as well, which these are switch driven as well as computer controlled, so all of those are working correctly. And into the last test, which is the switch test. So going through diagonally, testing both rows and columns. The last switch in blackout is switch 46. And I've already got this thing set up on free play as to why you don't see the solenoid 16 on there. But we are good to go, 100%. Thank you so much for sending it.